Hi everyone, welcome to the future of personal hygiene and environmental responsibility. In today's video, we're going to show you how to install a bidet on your own, not only to keep yourself clean, but also to make a positive impact on our environment. Don't worry, making the switch to a bidet is easier than you might think. In just a few short steps, you can reduce your carbon footprint. Let's go install the bidet right now. I'm Jay, this is Jay's How-To channel. Okay, let's get started. We're removing the toilet seat, unscrewing these screws, and now taking the lid and seat off the toilet. Now, I already cleaned the toilet seat off underneath, and now we're coming in sanitizing the toilet and wiping everything down. Shut off the water supply and flush the toilet. If your shutoff valve is leaking, you can shut off the main valve or just let it leak onto a towel or into a bucket. I got this bidet from Amazon. There's a link in the description below this video. It costs less than $50. Now you want to make sure that you've got rubber gaskets on all the parts. So I've got them here on this flexible hose, and it's also in this little T-fitting. We're connecting the T-fitting and getting this a little snug, and then attaching the water supply, and make sure that there's a rubber gasket on the water supply as well. Okay, we're going to tuck this hose under the toilet just to keep the hose out of the way. And then we're coming in to tighten this up. Don't over tighten this. If you over tighten it, it will pinch the rubber gaskets. And then attach the bidet to the hose. Did you know the average person uses 85 rolls of toilet paper per year? In the United States, we have 332 million people. Let's do the math. 332 million times 85. That's over 28 billion rolls of toilet paper per year. Let's hope this bidet helps solve this problem. Okay, coming back in with the toilet seat. And then reattaching the toilet seat on both sides. Now we're going to tighten this up just a little bit. You want to make sure that you can make some adjustments. Okay, as you can see here, this was a little bit crooked, so we can even this up on both sides and make sure that it's all the way back against the rim of the toilet. Then adjust the toilet seat, and then come back in and tighten everything down just really well. You don't want to over tighten it. It'll strip out these plastic screws. Make sure that you get these tight enough that the toilet seat doesn't move. Okay, close the flap in the back. Coming in to make sure everything's tight. And then we're going to turn on the water supply and check for leaks. You can hear the water running, and it stops, and there's no leaking. And we're ready to test this. Appreciate you guys. Press that like button for me if you enjoyed this video. Yeah. Thank you so much.